Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's solve today's hamster cipher code for 1 million coins. Today's cipher code is coin. 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 We have to type coin in cipher words. So the first word is C. Let's get the dashboard by clicking 3 times on the earn per tab. Okay, we will get the new dashboard. Okay, 1 2 3. So we have to type cipher. The first word is C. For this, dash tap dash tap. Okay, let's try once more. Dash tap dash tap. We got the C. The next word is O. For this we have to type 3 times dash. Okay, 1 2 3. We got the O. The next word is I. For this we have to type 2 times only. Tap tap. Okay, 1 2. We got the I. The last word is N. For this we have to hold. We got the dash and tap. We got the N. Take the prize. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more hamster combat related videos. I am gonna post one of the most important video today about what's important. Is the coin balance important or the profit per hour? Okay, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take the prize. Goodbye.